How to log out of Prime Video. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can log out of Prime Video, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to log out of the Prime Video app, it is very simple. You can launch your Prime Video app, and as you can currently see that I'm basically logged into my account. Now if I want to log out, tap on the profile icon from the top right, again tap the gear icon from the top right until you come to the settings page. Once you're here on the settings page, here you can see sign out of all Amazon apps. So now just tap on sign out of all apps and then tap on sign out, and then your Prime Video or your Amazon account will get successfully signed out. This way you can basically sign out or log out of Prime Video. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.